Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are solving a practical problem to find all the prime numbers within a given range. Our task is to find all prime numbers within a given range. For example, if the input is 10 and 20, within the range the prime numbers are 11, 13, 17 and 19. So these are the prime numbers between 10 and 20. So we need to print that. So this is the code for finding all the prime numbers in a specified range. So let me explain it step by step. First, the function checks if a number is prime using the same logic as we covered in the previous video. Then first we handle the numbers less than or equal to 1, and the numbers less than or equal to 1 are not prime. Then we optimize the iterating only up to the square root of the numbers to check for divisors. Then we define the find prime in range function. This function takes a range as input and returns all prime numbers in that range. When we iterate through the range, we loop through each number in the range and use the isPrime function to check if it's prime, and if it is, then we add it to the prime list using the append function. Then we take the start and end of the range as input from the user. We display all the prime numbers found in that particular range. So let's test the code. Let's input the start of the range as 10 and end of the range as 20. Let's run this. The output should be 11, 13, 17 and 9. So 11, 13, 17 and 9. So let's remove this. We don't need this. It's just for the demo purpose. So let's run this again. So the prime numbers between 10 and 20 is 11, 13, 17 and 9. So let's give another input 8 and 10. The prime numbers between, there is no prime numbers between 8 and 10, so it should print an empty list. So let's give another input 29 and 31. The only prime number between 29 and 31 is 29, so it should print. So the key concept we learned are the definition of the prime number and the efficient prime check, then working with ranges. So that's how we can find all prime numbers in a range using Python. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for more programming tutorials, and as always, happy coding.